Okay. Hello guys. I made this drawing. It looks like a picture though. I made this drawing the airplane too.
Wow.
With people inside if I zoom in. See?
See?
And there's also a pet shop. And the animals inside are birds, dogs, cats, and also any animal you can think of. But there's also a fish in there, but because there's a little pond with a fisherman, I didn't know how to make it. But
The other house is a coffee house.
yes, this
A
house-
coffee shop.
This is a coffee shop, and this is a logo.
Logo?
Yes, it's a logo.
What's name?
What?
Sophia Coffee Shop.
Hey. This is a coffee shop. I made it brown because coffee is brown. And these are the houses that I made. And this is a building.
What is this?
Oh, little people inside. It is a building with that thingy on top. Like, you know that thingy? Like, I forgot what it's called.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. And I also had an airplane.
Okay.
Airplane and some birds.
Oh.
Wait, some birds on top. And there's also a mountain with some hikers. Yeah, like that. I forgot. There is one which is struggling to get up, and one is already here. And this one accidentally fell, so he is helping him. This is the leader. One of them made it to the top of the mountain.
Winner. Yay.
Someone
I'm
made
the
it.
winner.
And this is the sun. I was trying to make it like that, you know that?
Color.
I tried
Color yellow.
Yeah, I tried adding like lines, but I couldn't make it, so I just made it circle. And there's a lot of red flowers for decoration. We gotta keep adding that. And there's tiny little people. 1,000.
Your drawing, it's amazing na.
It's okay, I could just erase.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Okay,
Butchuk
bye-bye.
TV.
Subscribe and like to Butchuk TV.
I love ya.
Bye-bye.